Module vibration test is one of the important links in the production and quality control process of our LED modules. After the aging test is completed, we will pack the LED modules and carry out the next step of module vibration test. This test mainly simulates various vibrations and shocks that the modules may encounter during transportation to ensure that the product can maintain stability and integrity during long-distance transportation and handling. The core purpose of the module vibration test is to verify whether the LED module can resist external impact during transportation and operation, and prevent problems such as module damage, loose circuits, or connection failure caused by vibration. During the test, we will place the LED module on professional equipment to simulate the vibration environment during transportation, including horizontal and vertical vibrations. In this way, we can ensure that each LED module can withstand various vibrations and shocks during transportation without affecting its normal function and display effect. In the vibration test, if the module is abnormal or damaged during the test, we will immediately check it and take necessary measures to improve it to ensure that the product quality reaches the best standards.